So when we go through and do these problems, the process we want to follow is we look for a GCF, all right? Because if a GCF comes out and there's not a number left in front of the x squared, then we're covered. We don't have to do this, all right? But what's going to happen with these in this file is the GCF's not going to eliminate the number in front of the x squared. All right, I'm going to do these off to the side of the boxes here because I'm not a huge person with the boxes. So it says multiply a and c together, and what that means is the 2. All right, the number in front of the x squared times that is going to give me a positive 30. And then what I do is I use that to find my factors the same way that I normally have. All right, so normally I would find the factors of 15 to add to 11. Because of the 2 in front of this, that won't work. I need to find the factors of 30. The signs are the same. All right, so that all works the same. So signs are the same. Factors of 30. All right, so I'd have 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 6 and 5. They still need to add up to this middle number here. So that's the same. So the only difference right now is that I use the 30 instead of the 15. So I have to multiply the A number and the C number together. All right. Now, the next twist is that doesn't mean that I get x plus 6 and x plus 5 like I used to. All right. That doesn't happen. What this means is I'm going to split the middle thing, the 11x, into a 6x and a 5x. So I have 2x squared and I have a 15 at the end. I need to place a 6x and a 5x in the middle here. And I have to do it strategically because I need these things to group together and have something come out of them. All right, meaning that I need to have a grouping here and a grouping here that's going to have a GCF for each one that I can pull out. And then now this is just a grouping question. All right, so in the C section, 2.4C, we did grouping, all right, factoring by grouping. Now we're talking about grouping. So now it's just become a grouping problem like before. All right, so we're going to take a 2x out of here, a 2x out of here, and we're going to get 2x times x plus 3. All right, and then I'm going to take a 5 out of here and a 5 out of here. So I'm going to get plus 5, all right, because it's a positive. I get x plus 3. That's good because those came out to be the same, and we know in grouping we want them to be the same. So I have x plus 3 and 2x plus 5. Okay, I should take a quick glance and make sure there's not a GCF in either of the parentheses. All right, there's not. So then I'm fully factored. If you wanted to check it, all right, you could distribute it and see if it comes out to be the same thing. This says make sure you're done factoring. That means make sure there's not like a x squared minus 9, which is a difference of two perfect squares that you could factor again. So make sure there's no further factoring to do, all right, where there's a GCF or something else happening in the problem.